Scent layering, what is it and why should you get into it? Well, scent layering is incorporating your sort of favorite or signature scent into different aspects of your routine or your daily ritual. So for example, Salt & Stone's got their deodorants have been super popular. They've got their black rose and oud, santal and vetiver, bergamot and hinoki, neroli and basil, just to name a few. There are three main ones, the santal and vetiver, black rose and oud, and bergamot and hinoki also come with their body mist. So this is safe to use anywhere on your skin. So if you're using their body wash and you want to continue that sort of scent throughout your routine, then you would go on to the body lotion, which can keep things hydrated, still smelling really good, and then you can kind of finish it off with the body mist, which is safe to use everywhere on your body. And then they've also got their hand cream. So you can use all of these products, really create an experience for while you're using it, and then also just really be in tune with your scent and your brand. These are not so overpowering. It's going to compete with any other scent that you wear. If you want to finish things off with a cologne or something like that, you're obviously able to do that, but these ones are going to be sort of like on the more intimate parts of your body. Bergamot and hinoki, santal and vetiver, and one of my favorites, the black rose and oud. We have a lot of brands that are doing this now. Lots of options, lots of great opportunities to incorporate a scent in your entire routine so you can enjoy it thoroughly throughout and experience it step by step. And feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Check out our site, check out our app, and we'll see you soon.